ang balag natin sa buhay ay magiging malangal. Nakikita niyo ba yung ano yun dito? Diba? Kaya ganun hirap at tiis sa buhay, isa lang yung balag natin ay magiging malangal.
At ang hinihiling namin ng buong pagtitiwala sa iyong awa at pag-ibig. Amen.
Tama, very good. Pero hindi lang yan. Bakit? Kasi pag tatay kayo, tatay ka ba? Pero pag tatay kayo, tapos pag may anak kayo, pag ibibigyan nyo yung pag-aral, pero aral lang, mabuti ba? Hindi may kulang, di ba? O ano ba yung kulang? Kasi yung education, lahat, education galing sa Latin. Educare. Educare parang pinapatay. Parang ganyan, pinapatay. Okay? Education. So ano ba yung education ang kailangan ibigay sa isang bata? Dikit-dikit. Yung ibang bilog, iwalay. Halimbawa dito, ang mga bilog dito, nakadikit. Di ba nakadikit sila? Pero dito, may isang bilog na nakaiwalay. Nakikita niyo ba? So ang rosaryo ay may bilog na nakadikit at may mga bilog na nakaiwalay.
To welcome you into Life Kalataan and to introduce you to street children of Manila. All of them, the youngest as well as the eldest, have experienced the terrible life in the street. Victims of drugs, violence, and prostitution. They are now standing in front of you as standards of hope. These children, poorest among the poor, are maybe the most unfortunate victims of our society, but they remain always our teachers of joy, as you can obviously see on their smiling face. I remember you said no dental faces, and these children are the resurrection faces. I believe that these children are sharing so intimately the sufferings of Jesus Christ on his cross, that they become the instruments of his joy. These children would like to offer you very symbolic gifts. First of all, Our Lady of the Street Children. Here is a copy of the statues that are standing in all the chapels of the Foundation. The children are entrusting themselves to Our Lady every day. We would like also to offer you this mosaic made by one street child during the past month. It's made of old papers. picture has been taken during a Eucharistic adoration with the scavengers. It is very meaningful for us, Christ in the midst of the poor.
Is what the Paul Jazz?
We are in books trying to draw the lessons of joy from the U.S. children of Manila. One is in French, I'm sorry, but one has been translated in Spanish for you.
It's good.
We hope, Holy Father, that these simple gifts will let you remember the three children of Manila in your prayer, and with your prayer,
Yan si Father
and
Man.
the untiring support of His Eminence, Cardinal Tagle. Thank you so much. The foundation will last for long and help thousands of children. Frères, Saint-Père, ces enfants, pauvres parmi les pauvres, sont le trésor de notre Église. Ils sont nos maîtres de joie. Un immense merci.
Siya nagtanong, pero hindi niya nakikita si Jesus. Kaya, nag-iisipan niya kung anong pwedeng gawin para makita si Jesus. Kasi nakikita naman siya na makapal ang mga tao. Kaya hindi. Talaga na kahit may pagsusubok, kahit may mga ibang pakinis at sakripisyo, nagaganap talaga yung pangarap ko. So yan yung pasalamat ko sa mga staff, siyempre, na kayo yung instrumento ng pangarap. Pero pati rin sa inyo mga bata na dahil sa inyo nagiging totoo talaga yung pangarap ko.
So long again, whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. Sing with the evening chorus.
Hello, good morning.
Pero inaasahan niya ang ating dasal kasi pag sa pamamagitan ng dasal natin, pag-iingi tayo ng tulong kay Jesus para sa kanyang sakit, mga kalakasan ng kanyang katawan at ang kanyang kalooban. Kaya habang nagmimisa sa parukan, sisipagdasal natin siya para malakasan at mawala ang kanyang pagsubok sa